Today we're gonna make the diamond stitch beanie, and I just realized that I'm wearing a diamond shirt. It's like psychological. If you know how to do a front post double crochet, then you can do this hat. It's for intermediate crocheters, and I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step in my video right now. All right, to get started, you're gonna need to gather up your supplies. You're gonna need 2 skeins of 100 grams each of super chunky weight yarn. I might actually try it out in this color today since I already have the hat in cream. The yarn that I used in this pattern is Young and Trendy Solid Color 100, which is a brand from Italy, made in Italy, and that's where I live. So, but you go ahead and get yourself any type. You're gonna need a size 8mm hook. I've tried this with different sizes, but I find size 8 to work really well. And then you're gonna need a tapestry needle and then a little leather tag, which I get these in different colors from my Etsy girl. She makes all these different colors. So with this hat, I just might use this color cream. Okay, so I always make sure that I save a piece of yarn on my tag here, or my yarn sleeve, so I know and I remember in the future what yarn I used for a project, what it looked like, and what color it was. It can get very confusing later, especially down the years. If you want to make something exactly the same again, save your sleeves. All right, to get started, we're going to make a magic circle. So there's nothing complicated about this. All you got to do is yarn over your fingers like so. Flip your fingers over and stick this in the center and just pull up a loop like that. Stick your hook in there, okay? And then you can adjust your tension. That's your magic circle. Now I'm gonna make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. And for this pattern, the chain counts as a stitch. If you haven't already, download the PDF pattern from my store so you can have everything written very clearly for you. Now we're gonna do 9 double crochet in my magic loop, crocheting over the little tail at the same time. Okay, and now I'm going to pull my tail and just adjust my tension. And then I'm going to slip stitch into my chain 3. So I did a chain 1, chain 2 into the top chain. Okay, and that gives me 10 stitches in my circle here. So now we're gonna do round 2. I'm gonna chain 3 and I'm gonna do a front post double crochet around my chain from the row below. So to do a front post double crochet, you're gonna yarn over. Instead of going inside the top of a stitch, you just go around the whole post. So I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna go in and out, and then you're gonna complete your double crochet like normal. Okay, so I'm gonna do that all the way around. I'm gonna do a normal double crochet and then a front post double crochet in the same stitch. So we're basically increasing. Of course, for the hat, you have to increase at the beginning. So I'm gonna do a double crochet stitch, and then I'm gonna do a front post double crochet around the toggle below. Okay, and then a double crochet, and then a front post double crochet. And let's keep going, a double crochet and a front post double crochet. So you're increasing every stitch, which means you're gonna have 20 stitches this time around. Let's go all the way around. Okay, and this is my last one here. Going around. Okay, and I'm going to slip stitch into my chain 3. So I got 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna slip stitch in there. And I should have 20 stitches. You can pull on your tail a little bit more. Okay, let's count those. just to double check. So we have the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, great job. Your gauge is this right here. This is, which I measured it and took a picture for the pattern. It's in the pattern. It's a little bit bigger than 3 inches across. This is the diameter. So if your gauge is different than that, then you need to change your hook size. If it's too small, go up a hook size. If it's too big, go down a hook size. Okay, next round, round 3, we're gonna chain 3. And we're gonna double crochet in the same space. And we're gonna front post double crochet around our front post double crochet. And our pattern repeat for this round is you're gonna do 2 double crochet in the double crochet space and then a front post around the front post. So we're gonna do 2 double crochets here. And then a front post double crochet here. Oops. Okay. And we're gonna keep going around doing that pattern repeat until we get to the end, and you guessed it, we're gonna have 30 stitches for this round because we're doing an increase of 10 in this pattern. Basically, when you start out a hat and you start with 6, for example, then you're gonna increase by 6. If you start with 10, you're gonna increase by 10. All right, and we're almost to the end here. I'm gonna do another post. And I'm going to slip stitch into my chain 3. Okay, and that will give me 30 stitches. For round 4, this is where we're gonna start our triple clusters. So you're gonna chain 3, and you're gonna double crochet in the next space. And now what we have to do is we have to combine the 2 posts around. So we're gonna do that by doing a triple cluster that's like kind of like a diamond. So you're going to yarn over 2 times like in any triple crochet, and I'm gonna go backwards into this stitch here, and I'm gonna grab a loop and come through. Now I'm gonna yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, but I'm not gonna complete the stitch because I need to combine it over here. So I'm gonna yarn over 2 more times, and I'm gonna go to my next one. Go through, pull up a stitch. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now I'm gonna combine my 2. So I'm gonna yarn over and go through all my stitches. And that just combines them into this like V shape. And then I'm gonna do 3 double crochet. So looking behind what I just did, I have a loop there. I need to go into that top stitch. Okay. And do 3 double crochet. Okay, and then we're gonna do this again. So we're gonna combine these 2 now. So I'm gonna yarn over 2 times. I'm gonna go around this post, grab a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Stop here, here's my next post, yarn over 2 times, go around my post, come through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through all the loops. And then I'm going to look in the back, and I'm gonna go into my next double crochet, and I'm gonna do a total of 3 double crochet, and that is the pattern repeat for this round. Okay, so let's keep on doing that all the way around. Okay, so I'm almost done here. Let me do one more diamond cluster. Okay, and you need to end with a double crochet here because you got 1 stitch left. So you got to end with a double crochet there, and then you're going to slip stitch to your chain 3, That way you have the exact amount in between every diamond. You have 3 double crochet. Okay, so you should have 3 double crochet in between each of your diamonds. And now that's the end of our increase rounds for this hat. What we're gonna do for the next several rounds is the same pattern, but this time we're not increasing. So that means we're gonna skip 1 stitch where we do the diamond cluster. So I'm going to chain 3, and I am already in the center, so you pretty much want to be in the center of where your diamonds are to make your diamond. So I'm already in the center, great. So you're going to combine your 2 diamonds. So you're going to go around the top, basically, just like that. I'm going to go through 2, go through 2, yarn over, go through the next one, and complete my diamond. Okay, and now I have to skip this stitch in the back right here because I have already made a stitch. I have made the diamond stitch, and this counts at the top right here. I've got this stitch here. So we don't want to increase. So we're gonna skip that and we're gonna go into the next. And I'm gonna make 1, 2, and 3. And that's what I'm gonna do around for the next several rounds. So I'm gonna do my diamond cluster combining my 2 V sections, okay? So at the top, I'm gonna go around, come through, go through 2, go through 2, yarn over 2 times, go around the next one, come through, go through 2, go through 2, yarn over, go through all the loops, and then looking in the back, I'm gonna skip 1 and go into the next and make 3 double crochet across. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to repeat that for round 5. Let's do that all the way around. Okay, and I need to just do 2 more double crochet at this point because I did my chain at the beginning, which counts as my first, and you still need to have 3 double crochet in between each cluster. Okay, so you should have still 40 stitches, all right? Now, whenever you're gonna work these other rounds, you want your chain 3 to kind of be in the center. So make sure that whenever you're starting out, you slip stitch over. So you see how this is not perfectly in the center? I want it to be in the center so that whenever I do my diamond, it falls perfectly in the center. So what I'm gonna do for every round is I'm just gonna slip stitch my way over. I'm gonna slip stitch 1, 2, 3, so I'm perfectly in the center. And now I'm gonna chain 3. So I'm perfectly in the center for this round, and you're just gonna make sure you start out that way for every round. So now for rounds 6 through 11, you're gonna repeat round 5, and then after you do all of that, we are gonna do this little border together. So I will meet you guys down here. Make sure to download the pattern if you haven't already, if you want to follow it written, and if you like to check things off on paper. I am definitely that way, and I will meet you guys down here. Okay, so I did a total of 10 rounds instead of 11 because it was a good length, and now I'm going to leave myself room to do 2 rounds for the brim. So you're just going to chain 3, and then you're going to do posts where you have posts and do double crochets where you have double crochets. So here I have a post, and I'm just gonna go around and do a post around that. And then I'm gonna do 3 double crochet across. And then do a post where you have your diamond. Okay, and can go ahead and do that all the way around for this round. Okay, last round we're gonna repeat the same thing we just did. So gonna chain 3, gonna do my post here, and I'm gonna do my 3 double crochet, and I have to say, this is very beautiful. I have finished my last round, and I was just looking at my tags, and I actually think I like this one. It covers my ears, which some people like their hats to show their earrings. Look, just enough space to show your earrings. Ooh. And that is the diamond stitch hat. I hope you've liked this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye guys.